Hello, this is Omar Jackson with Option One Real Estate, and I'd like to welcome you to Lennar Homes at the Silos.
So the Silos community is located at the intersection of Highway 90 and 211, which is north of 1604. We're about 10 minutes away from Lackland Air Force Base, as well as SeaWorld. Hi, my name's Simon Robertson. I'm with Lennar Homes, and welcome to the Silos community. Lennar's been in business for almost 70 years, and almost 20 years of business here in San Antonio. We are the 2018 Builder of the Year. We're excited to be building here at Silos, where we will build 1,500 homes. And as always, everything is included. In our Barrington collection, our most popular floor plan is the Huxley. It is 1910 square feet. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-car garage. In the Barrington, the standard or included features are sprinkler system, blinds, smart home features, walk-in showers, the full works. In our cottage collection, our most popular floor plan is the Durban. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage, 1,440 square feet. The Durban does include granite, as well as recessed lighting, and some smart home features. Here at Silos, we'll have a lifestyle director on site. And a lifestyle director has some HOA responsibilities, but it also plans events to bring the community together. Welcome to our Silos open house event. We'll have barbecue on site. Come out and see one of our 13 amazing floor plans. We can't wait to see you.
Hey guys, come on out and see us this weekend. Get some great barbecue, see some beautiful homes built by Lennar Homes, as well as get a copy of How to Buy or Sell a Home Without Getting Screwed by our best-selling author and broker, Jason Campbell. Look forward to seeing you guys.